I'm sure sports here with Ludlow Bernard, you know, they won the game against the mighty Mount Pleasant Trailer. Tell us about your thoughts about the game.
It was a well thought out game. We planned all week for the Mount Pleasant team. What we did out here today was very deliberate, and we were very conscious of the fact that at the back for them would be pretty much very slow. So we wanted to take advantage of that, and we wanted to play a real good old counter-attacking game on them.
And it paid off for you, right?
Yeah, definitely, because I thought that we had the defensive unit around here that could really keep things tight and really made it difficult for them to really break us down.
What do you say about Trayvon's?
Very impressive and very, very electric. This is the type of player that really excites the league, and it is good for the league, and it is good that he was on the score sheet today.
My thought though on the latter part of the game that you guys could have scored some more goals in the attacking third.
Yes, probably a little bit of selfishness on the part of a couple, you know, but then again that is natural, especially when you deal with some of the younger ones, you know, but it is very good that we could have scored 3 goals and 7 goals overall in our last 2 games.
Thank you very much, Ludlow Bernard. Continue doing the good work, and I hope you continue to win games.
Thank you very much.